Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to solve this sum. Just take it how it is. 90780 divide, you write down in this way, equal to 85 into 12. So this divide is as denominator, right? So we will take it to the right hand side. So 90780 divide by 85 into 12, and I will take the question mark sign to the right hand side and the square root will be there. Now you just cancel and you get the answer. So first you cancel with 12, then with 85 you get 89, and this side, right hand side, square root of question mark. So squaring both the sides, you will get 89 square, and this side square root and square will get cancelled. This is the rule, right? So you get the answer 89 into 89, that is 7921, and your option is B. I hope you have understood the sum. Ta-da!